Yeah, still Sunday, February 20th, I think. NASCAR day, whatever that is. Anyway, can't hardly see it, but I got the new batteries installed on the 5203 and the 1250. Went with the correct size battery. They're same height, same width, but longer. And one of my hold down bolts broke on this one, so you get those at any auto parts store. Got to get them. The old 1250, same thing, new battery on it, same battery actually. And that one's had a rubber bungee cord holding the battery in place for 8 years now. Done just fine, but I've got the hold down bar for the 5203. I just need to get some of those generic long hold down bar bolts. Move the backhoe to its permanent home over here. Put the new, they call it street pads, the rubber feet on the outriggers. Those are installed. And put on all the Vandal locks. Put on the new seat cover. It actually just snaps in place. That was unbelievably easy. There's new seat cover. And there are 2 anti-theft devices installed on this thing. I've got both of them engaged. So if anybody's going to steal it, they're going to have to know about backhoes and have to work at it. I've got a demolition hammer if I can find it. If I can bust out this old concrete here. It's somewhere. Because I think it could be a broken Zerk. I need to change it out, grease fitting. And that concrete's in the way. Over here on this side, I just busted it off with the claw hammer. It fell right off. So that in the middle should come off fairly easy. And my curl cylinder isn't leaking today. I don't know. It's dry. So maybe something got in there on the dust seal it didn't like. Now I did measure, see my bucket here. I measured my pin diameters and my center to center, excuse me, my inside dimension on the bucket arms. And this bucket over here that I sold at auction, the guy never picked up, so I still got it. It has same dimensions. So I got 2 buckets for my new backhoe. Well, I said, why do you need 2 buckets? And I said, well, this one's narrower. Maybe I want to dig a narrow trench. Oh. So, and this bucket got no hours on it. It's just really, really good shape. Got your chain hook over there. Bushings look to be damn near new. And it's got 3 positions. That's your, I have to look it up. It has to do with amount of ripping force for power digging. On how you mount it on the backhoe mount. So, one of these days I'll get a tape measure and measure these buckets. Really not sure what the width is. Obviously that one's wider, that one's narrower. And but no, it's nice to have my stuff. I thought it's peculiar. This is a John Deere bucket. It's got your wear plates and everything. And they're still about full width and thickness. Guess you could wrap your chain through here on this bucket. That's probably a 2-foot bucket, thereabouts. But anyway, we still have to go to Sam's. Have to get some stuff for my factory. Productive day. Don't seem like I got much done, but I actually did. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.